Are you in the market to build large multi-zone systems fed from two different audio inputs with the added flexibility of running each zone in either stereo or mono? If so, you've arrived in the right place. Introducing the Intusonic INTUWORX DLA26. A 2-input, 6-output, stereo splitter. Thanks to Intusonic's intuitive design ethic, the DLA26 is easy to understand. We start with input A and B volume controls and mute button switches. Input A features a handy 3.5mm TRS input for fast connection of an audio device. From here, we see 6 identical output sections. Each features a volume control, a 2-band equalizer, and a source selection switch to change between input A and input B. A closer look at the rear side reveals emergency features which include a mute contact and an auto-sensing emergency priority input. Both input A and input B offer 6.35mm TRS inputs with direct link outs for connection to further pieces of audio equipment. Then, we're left with 6 identical outputs featuring balanced 6.35mm TRS outputs alongside a screw terminal strip. A switchable mono stereo button, a 100Hz high-pass filter and a maximum volume control. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.